Hi friends and family. Thank you for joining me here at Cooking with Cree. Today I'll be making rice croquettes from some leftover saffron rice that I'd had. I've added to that rice some cheddar cheese, some onions diced very small, 2 eggs, a pat of butter that I've melted, pour it in, some ham chopped, which I had left over also. I added some grated carrots and some pepper. And I'm going to pat these together, and I'm going to get my oil and my butter prepared, and I'll be right back. I'm going to patty them together. Ooh, it's popping. And add them to the grease. If it's a little too loose, you can add a little flour, like I did, just so they'll hold together. I added a little bit of butter to the pan to help them brown. And I'll be back when those are done. I've turned them over so you can see how they're coming along. Be back. Almost there, about another minute or so. I'm gonna take them out and plate them up and slice them so you can see what they look like. I have 2 more to go. And I've got 2 ready already on the cooling rack. I'll be back. And here you have it. Saffron rice croquettes. You have your ham, your rice, your vegetables. You have everything all in one. Yeah. Looks like a croquette, doesn't it? Tastes delicious too. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It would be nice if you subscribed also. Alrighty. Until next time, be well.